Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Chihaley. I didn't have time to record my intro, but if you want to see how I do my eyebrows, then just keep on watching. So I like to just brush my hairs out, and I start from the bottom and outline my eyebrows. I outline it to the shape that I want, and then I just start filling in. And I am using the Anastasia, the Dip Brow, and it is in medium brown. The brush, I'm not sure where it's from. It was gifted to me. And then right here, I just go like very lightly in the front of my brow, and then I just start doing little strokes just to, because my eyebrow is very thin, so I just give it like little strokes to make it look like I have hair right there. Also, don't mind, I was in the middle of doing my makeup and I am currently baking, so just ignore all that powder on my face. And I went ahead and did my other brow off camera, but as you can see, they look way better than before. And right here, I am using a Morphe brush to clean it up with concealer. And the concealer I am using, it is, I believe, Shape Tape. And the shade in the concealer is in light neutral. Also, I don't like to cake on a lot of concealer when I'm cleaning up my eyebrows, just so it doesn't look too much. I like it to look a little bit more natural. And then I am buffing it out with the brush from Real Techniques. And then I went ahead and cleaned up the other eyebrow. Also, when I clean up the top of my brow, I just use a buffing brush because I don't want it to look too cakey, or I don't want to mess up the rest of my brow. And I did notice they weren't looking exactly the same, so I went ahead and just tried adding a little bit more to the other side. But yeah guys, that's how I do my eyebrows. So if you want to see more videos, just subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you.